What's going on? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be doing some Redbubble shop reviews, so stay tuned, get right into it, and get ready because we're going to review some of your guys' shops, and you're not ready for this. Let's go. But just before we get into the reviews, I'm going to be shouting out 3 subscribers in this video, and I'm going to be doing this in quite a lot of videos, so if you guys want the chance to be shouted out in one of my videos, just hit the subscribe button, and you'll have the chance to be shouted out. Now, the 3 people we're going to be shouting out today are Bing, Bang, and boop. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. Now let's get on to the Redbubble shop reviews. Alright, and the first shop we are going to be reviewing is Virtual Arts. I really like the name so far, and also I really like this banner. Good job on the banner, keep it up, looks professional, and it looks also has some personality to it, so I really like this banner. 341 designs joined August 2020, so a good amount of designs. Obviously, the more designs, the better. And if you're making designs, also remember the research aspect is very important. So hopefully these 341 designs are actually really well researched, and there's a reason why there's not as many designs, because they're better researched than something like me. You know, maybe having 2,000 designs in a few months is not quite as useful as having some well-researched designs. However, enough of that. Let's look into their shop. So they have a featured collection that's really good. Yoga. It appears that this shop is a general shop, and yoga is a pretty popular thing. So a pretty good featured collection. You could also put seasonal items in here. So if you're making designs for, let's say, Easter right now or Mother's Day, you could put those designs in your featured collection because they're an upcoming holiday or event all around the world. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, 8 more collections, or 8 collections in total. Good stuff. You got trending, travel, adventure, stickers. You have a stickers collection. That's pretty smart. And you have patterns, Christmas. So yeah, Halloween, Christmas. So you have some collections going here. It looks pretty good. And then you have a lot of different products I'm seeing on here. I would not suggest using things like an acrylic block. You're better off just putting it on a sticker. Really, that design, it would look really good on a sticker. A sticker or something very simple like a mask. See, the mask looks good. The sticker looks good. The leggings on those look really good, but they'd probably sell better on a mask because masks sell a lot more. Not many people are coming to Redbubble for leggings compared to masks. So my suggestion would just to be put your designs on stickers, masks, shirts, and things that sell more rather than artboard prints or acrylic blocks. Although this kind of looks like it was meant for an artboard print, so I get it in some cases. However, I think this would look a lot better on a sticker, and make sure you can see the text also when you're putting your designs up. That one I can't really read. I think it's a bit too small. However, it looks like you got your design game going. It looks like you're using some placed images. I'm recognizing that cat. I've used that cat before. A good cat, but honestly, it's a really good, simple design, and I like your designs. They all look pretty good. They all look pretty professional. It looks like you know what you're doing. And the one thing I do want to check is how many products you have enabled. So I like your stickers. I think you should definitely keep killing the sticker game. I really like how you have these really nice stickers. I think they look great. So let's go look at your tags, and let's go look at your products. So when I scroll down here, we're going to see you have this on 86 products. So you have it on a majority of the products. That's very good. And you have, you also have all these other stickers which are kind of related, I believe. Maybe they aren't, but you have a lot of stickers in a certain niche. So it looks like you're testing niches. That's good. Keep testing niches. Your tags look good, relevant. I'm not sure if this is a TikTok reference in this niche, but honestly, good stuff. And I would keep up your tag game. Keep up your game of making designs. Just try to find niches that are a bit, more higher competition. Sorry, not higher competition. Higher demand, lower competition. That's the objective, to make more sales. Obviously, this is easier said than done, and there's a lot of ways to do this, but really it just comes with trial and error and testing different ways of researching. You can't really know for sure if your way of researching is the best until you try out some more different ways of researching. So keep trying to do different researches or ways of researching niches, and keep trying to find those trends, those niches that are going to make you sales, and keep designing. 341 designs. I feel like you could get a little bit more in there. Keep designing, keep going. You're going to make some sales. Thanks for submitting your shop. Let's go to the next one. Alright, the next shop is The Great Artworks. Joined January 2021. So joined not even 2 months ago. 2 months ago, pretty much. So 2 months ago, I don't know when in January, and 1,200 designs. Honestly, I'm very impressed. That is a lot of designs for 2.5 months. It looks like this person is really going for it. And let's go look here. They have a really nice banner, a really nice, a name, just simple, very simple, professional. Look at Patrick's Day collection, very good stuff. All their designs are simple text, but they all look very professional. These all look super professional. You can see here, all these look very, made in a kind of like, this is something you buy at stores. So these aren't complicated, but they're professional because they're clean and simple. And I really like these designs, actually. They're funny. And now we'll go here, coffee, countries, Valentine, motivational quotes, food lovers, funny sayings, funny definitions, Dogecoin and Bitcoin. There's a wide range of collections, but honestly, really good stuff. Everything looks very professional. You have stickers, shirts, and that's it, which is good. These all look really good on stickers and shirts, so you know what you're doing in terms of product placement. And these designs are honestly really, really good. I'm not sure how you're pumping out so many designs. You must be doing this pretty consistently every single day, and hats off to you. Keep doing that. Keep working at this. All your designs look really good, and a lot of them look very, I'm going to say general, but in a good way. I'm not sure if all these niches are super, profitable, because a lot of them probably are high competition. However, your designs are going to be able to sell if they can get in front of people's eyes. You have really good designs, and you know what you're doing in terms of text placement and all that. You have designs that are very, very professional, honestly. All these designs are very professional. Keep going at it. Keep making designs. Honestly, this is super impressive for considering you just joined. And yeah, 220 favorites in 2 months. That's really good stuff. I'm assuming you're making quite a bit of sales. I'm honestly really impressed. One last thing before we go. I'm going to check out your products and I'm going to check out your tags, but I'm assuming you're doing all this right if you've made it this far into it. 82 products, you've got most of them enabled. You have them enabled on the right products. And when we scroll down here, your tags, very simple, straight to the point, and no spamming. So really good stuff. Thank you for submitting your shop. Great artworks. I'm super impressed by this shop. If you guys want to take after someone, I think this is a great shop to look at. And let's go to the next shop. Alright, so the third shop on our list is Yumaso. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I really like this theme here. We got like postage stamps, Japanese postage stamps. I believe it's Japanese. And they look really good, really professional. I like that. I'm not sure if that's the theme your shop is going to be taking. But 147 designs. Obviously, the more designs, the better. And the more research into those niches those designs are in, the better. But 147 designs, go take a look at what you've got. You have some collections of sticker packs, animals, food, text-based designs and patterns, nothing crazy, some photographs, good collections overall. I really like these sticker packs. These are probably spaced a bit weird. I think they would be connected in the end, so make sure you're just spacing them a little enough. But I like the idea of having Dogecoin sticker pack. I think people would actually buy that. That's a really good idea. Keep going with the sticker packs. Sticker packs definitely sell. And Asian food sticker pack, that looks really awesome. You got some cool obscure niches in here, which I'm actually liking. Looks like you're doing a good amount of research. Honestly, all your designs and sticker packs look very high quality. And honestly, this is awesome. I love these sticker packs. Keep going with the sticker packs, especially if it's working for you in Redbubble. These sticker packs are creative, they're new, they're fun, and people want to get their money's worth for their value. You even have a little a baby specific thing right here. So greeting cards, another good product to sell. You look like you know what you're doing in terms of product placement. You don't have anything crazy out of the ordinary like a blanket or something like that. You have products that sell. Greeting cards are also a good one that I didn't mention in the other shop review. But honestly, really solid designs, especially these sticker packs. I know they take a little while to make, which may be why you don't have as many designs, but keep making sticker packs if they're working. And yeah, 383 favorites, only 147 designs. You're doing something right, and you have a couple of good selling items. I can tell probably some of these sticker packs, and keep going with that. You're doing great. One last thing, I'm going to check what kind of products you have these sticker packs on enabled other than just the stickers. So it looks like you just toss them onto shirts, which is fine. But you could also just take one or two of these foods and put it as the t-shirt instead. Kind of have the sticker as its own thing. And then you could even drive more sales to it because not as many people are going to click on a shirt with like 30 different foods on it in a square. But if you had one or two of the foods there, then they would click on it, see the sticker pack, and you could kind of use the sticker pack as the default listing. So that's an idea. You have it on all the products though, which is really good. And your tags, nice and simple. nothing crazy, and they look pretty relevant to me. So keep going with that. Thank you for submitting your shop, Yumaso, and let's go to the last and final shop. Alright, the last and final shop is Casper 2019. So this account was made back in 2019, would you guess it? And honestly, the banner is a bit weird. I don't know really what I'm looking at. I'm looking at some plants and some stars and some pink and yellow. I would definitely get a kind of a message on there and make it a little bit more professional. It kind of looks like you made it in MS Paint, not gonna lie. Not that that couldn't work, but I would put some text here, make it a little bit more formal. Maybe not, kind of looks like used a paintbrush here. Just make it straight, make it simple, make it clean. Definitely would have some sort of logo, and I would definitely upload more designs. However, let's go see what you got. You have some, the sticker's a bit offset, which is weird, but you have some good stickers here. This whale, I like that. And we'll scroll down here, and it looks like you have a lot of just basic designs, which no problem with that. And this mask honestly looks really good, but you honestly will need to make more designs and kind of get some design help, in my opinion. Also, place your products on the right image, or place your designs on the right products. I wouldn't really sell this on a blanket, and I wouldn't really sell this on a sticker. You need to kind of just make sure you're using the right products that you're enabling for your primary thumbnail. It kind of looks like you're just using optimized, which is something to be considered. But when we scroll down here, you have some very simple generic niches, which isn't always a bad thing, getting your design skills up. But I would suggest niching down to something not just adorable pug, maybe a girl who loves pugs, or a pug mom, something a little bit more specific to be able to get in front of people, because it's hard to get in front of people when you're in these high competition niches, especially in a new shop on Redbubble with a new listing. And I would definitely probably use a design tool like Photoshop for simple text designs. You could go with those if you're not comfortable with designing as much. It looks like you did draw these, so if you have some artistic skills, definitely use those, but it does take a lot of time to draw things manually. So I would recommend something like Placeit or Vexels or some kind of design tool, or just use Photoshop or a basic app and make text-based designs, because those sell really well. Get a nice font, distress it a bit, and you can be a clean, professional looking shop with just text-based designs. So that is all I really have for you today, Casper. Thank you so much for submitting your shop. I would recommend getting some more designs out there and niching down a little bit more. Also, maybe using a design tool, because a lot of these designs do look a little bit iffy in my opinion, just my personal preference. But thank you so much for submitting your shop, and I hope this video can help you. Alright, and that is all we have for shop reviews today, but stay tuned for my next videos coming in the future days. There's going to be some pretty fun content coming out related to making money online and all that good stuff. So if you want to see that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button to also get a chance to get shouted out in one of the beginnings or parts of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your friend Jack. Keep striving, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace.